When it comes to upgrading your windows, one of the most critical decisions you'll make is choosing the right glass. The window glass makes up about 97% of the entire window. It plays a pivotal role in determining the energy efficiency, insulation, and overall comfort in your home. In this video, we will compare Cardinal Glass to the glass commonly found in windows from big box stores like Home Depot and Lowe's, so you can make an informed decision when replacing or upgrading your windows. What is Cardinal Glass? Cardinal Glass is renowned for its commitment to energy efficiency. It utilizes advanced technologies and coatings to enhance the performance of windows. Their use of low emissivity or low E coatings, inert gas fills, and high-quality manufacturing has made Cardinal Glass a top choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient solutions. Cardinal Glass windows not only offer superior insulation, but also significantly reduce solar heat gain while maintaining optimal visible light transmission. Why choose Cardinal Glass? If you're looking for top-tier energy efficiency and year-round comfort in your home, Cardinal Glass is a wise choice. Its exceptional U factor, solar heat gain coefficient, and visible light transmission ratings make it ideal for climates with varying temperatures, just like here in San Antonio. What to know about window glass from big box stores? Big box stores like Home Depot and Lowe's offer convenience and affordability, making replacement windows accessible to many homeowners. However, the glass in budget windows typically lacks the low E coatings, gas-filled panes, and other advanced technologies that you find in Cardinal Glass. This results in a lack of energy efficiency and overall comfort. The glass in these windows may also have lower quality seals and construction, making them less effective at insulating your home. Why choose window glass from big box stores? Budget windows from big box stores can be a viable option for homeowners with tight budgets or those living in areas in milder climates. They can serve well in areas where extreme temperature variations are less of a concern. If you are a house flipper or don't need windows that will last very long, finding windows at a big box store may be the right option. However, you must consider the lack of energy efficiency and durability that comes with these windows. Comparing Cardinal Glass and big box store glass. Comparing energy efficiency ratings. To help you make the best choice when finding the right replacement windows, it's essential to compare the energy efficient ratings of Cardinal Glass and the glass from other windows from big box stores. Here are 3 energy factors to compare to better determine what type of windows are best for you. U factor, solar heat gain coefficient, and visible light transmission. By comparing these specific energy efficient ratings, you will understand the key differences between high quality Cardinal Glass and lower quality glass from big box store windows. If you want more information on these energy ratings, check out the article linked down in the description. Security and soundproofing. While energy efficiency is a significant factor, it's not the only thing to consider when choosing window glass. Depending on your wants, needs, and goals, you should also weigh other aspects like sound insulation and security features. Longevity and durability. Another thing to consider when choosing the right window glass that will meet your needs is durability and longevity between both window types. The decision to upgrade your windows is a substantial investment in your home. Ensuring you choose the right glass is critical to enjoying energy efficiency, comfort, and peace of mind. When making your decision, consider the climate you live in, your budget, and the level of energy efficiency you want in your windows. It's also beneficial to consult with a professional to assess your specific needs and explore all the options available. The glass in your windows is not something to overlook when upgrading your home. To better understand what to look for in replacement window glass and ensure you choose the right replacement windows, check out this article that outlines 5 questions to ask a window replacement company about replacement glass. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video for more home solutions. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.